Next week we will see a 2-hour final, which promises to be epic. And of course, there will be a number of big shocking turns. Here's what executive producer Andrew Chapman said about the final episodes for TV Insider. We have a great wrap-up for Billy and Cade and Conrad. We have very satisfying stuff that will happen between Raptor and Leela and Padma and the babies. We have a fun surprise between Devon and Leela. And we have really powerful, strong storylines that will wrap up, such as Ian's addiction story, his addiction story vis-a-vis Kit, but also vis-a-vis his daughter Cade. And then a fantastic final storyline between Belle and Kit and the governor and the hospital's fate, which will be very much in jeopardy right up until the very end. So, the official synopsis of the final episodes reads: the ER quickly fills up after a heavy storm causes a devastating helicopter crash. Conrad, Devon, and the rest of the Chastain doctors rush to treat patients, including the helicopter pilot, a barista, and Chastin's least favorite person, Governor Mark Betts. Then, Conrad is pulled away from celebrating Gigi's 6th birthday when Sammy comes into Chastin with a 104-degree fever, and Kit must call in a favor for treatment. Meanwhile, a heart arrives for Governor Betts's transplant surgery. Based on the information provided, I have no doubt that we should expect an explosive final. What do you think about it?